I was sent this piece of maple by Daniel Harju. We're gonna cut out a blank on the table saw. And what we want to do is we're gonna cut this piece out here. I've got the line marked. We're gonna turn some pendants on the lathe and give it some dye and color it up and make it look real nice. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Now we have this little block and we want to slice some blanks. So we'll move the fence over and we'll do our first slice using push stick. Well, here's one blank. We're going to cut out the rest. A lot of burning on that. I should lower the blade. Lower the blade, shallow cuts, work my way up. That way I don't get this burning. But I am going to turn it on the lathe so it's not going to be a problem because it'll be wiped away. Still, we don't want heat coming off the blade. Now we have all these clean little blanks, thanks to the sander. Alright, we've got our blanks. We got this relatively clean side and this one with the burn mark, so we'll keep the burn mark going out so that I could scrape it off. Here's a faceplate. I've got some wood attached to it. I've been working with it. So we'll take our glue gun, heat it up, dab some glue on here, add the blank. Alright, let's dab some glue right there. Take our blank and hit it. So we'll let that sit and dry some and we'll come back to it. Right, Vigo? Alright, let's bring this right up here. And we're going to mark out our blank. Alright, let's hit this with some sandpaper and clean it up. Alrighty. Alright, so we're going to paint this black, let it dry, and then we're going to sand it off. Now that this is dry, we're going to sand it off. We'll just hit it with a thinner paper. See what we got here. There we go. Yeah. Here's a little cup, and we have some of this yellow dye. And we're gonna hit this with the first coat of yellow. Now we're going to do a little bit of red to sort of grade the color up. Oh, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and sand a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. We'll hit it with some more red on the edge. Fades the color, so it's got a sunburst effect to it. Once we clear coat, we can show it to you. Well, we'll show it to you, but we got to add the hardware as well. and the necklace. We'll hit it with some gloss poly. We'll let that dry. I'll put this up on my Etsy. Comes with a little bag and all the hardware. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and, well, we're going to get to some other projects.